Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to add music to your Facebook profile. So what you need to do is open the Facebook application and then get logged in into the account first. Now once you're logged in into the account, what you need to do is you need to go to the profile. Tap on profile icon on the top left. Now here on the profile, you scroll down. Once you scroll down, just before you start your post, you will have all these options like photos, avatar, music. You tap on music option, tap that. Once you're at this music section or music piece, you need to tap on the plus icon on the top right, tap that. After that, this will present you with the list of music or the list of current most popular song choices. You can add this to your profile. You can also tap on the search bar to find your favorite song by artist, album, song title, or any other option. If you type in, you will be given the search result for your song and you just tap that song has been added, and you can see in the music that song has been added. Once music is added to your profile, it's automatically set to public. Anyone who can view your profile will also be able to see the songs you have added to your profile by tapping music on your profile. This is a way how you can add music to the Facebook profile. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.